We're in the line of fire.
Now, just to let you know, they are throwing pine cones.
Just for measure. And wood chips.
Looks like wood chips. I can't tell exactly.
It's pine cones and wood chips.
That man there is Zach. He's better.
He's also been seen in previous videos.
That one over there is Jason.
We're not sure about him.
This is
It's...
this is Jason's first video.
No, that's
appearance.
Chicken Little.
This is Jason, nicknamed Chicken Little. First video appearance.
Starring role.
Oh, just for the record, Zach over there, he's soulless because he's a ginger.
Much like the cameraman, who is half ginger.
That did not work at all.
He almost landed on him at least. 3 feet, Zach. 3 feet. You would have landed on him.
Zach, if you had, you could have had him with an airstrike. But you landed and started chucking him.
Yeah, I only had one. That really hurt my back. Dude, I'm not throwing half as hard as one of my friends does.
Pinecone, I see a big one.
Here we go.
And the battle commences.
I just like to say, so far in that little battle, it was a hit, then bar, then miss, then miss.
And then close range.
Oh, that one hurt.
Zach, they're all over here.
Who do you think is gonna strike blood first?
No one.
Oh, Zach will definitely be the first one to start bleeding.
They accidentally hit each other.
Pine cones might cut skin, man.
That will do it.
Yeah, if you hit hard enough.
Why are you guys insane? I'm just curious.
Why are you insane?
Oh God!
Oh God! Jesus! No, that's a camera.
Hey, this is the peanut gallery. We don't get hit.
We're the audience.
We're the commentators.
No, we're not meant to be struck.
Unless it's by lightning. Wait, we're gonna get sucked?
Alright, where's the hot girl that's doing this?
He never said a hot girl.
Yeah.
Or a girl at all.
You know what? I'm saying a hot girl, just to make it straight.
So that's Sam.
We need a hot chick, yo.
We do.
And that's Tom. Damn.
Yo.
I'm getting Zach. And there's Sam again.
We need a hot chick.
And that's Sam's only line on camera. There's Tom.
About
Oh God.
4 out of 5 people.
Cameraman was recently scared there.
4 out of 5 people here have made previous appearances in my videos.
Even unwilling and such.
No, he was still in part of like a few seconds into my videos. He was like, "Damn, what are you doing? YouTube?" Oh God!
I know. I'm saying he was unwilling. He was not prepared for being in YouTube, and then
No,
he was in. Are you in these?
He was in that Twitch video. What?
Zach, that's right in front of you.
What?
Do you have any videos of yourself, like somebody else's
Ew.
camera?
Well,
now you do.
Can't remember. I mean, if I go back onto my channel, I can
You'll
look
find
them up.
something.
I'll find
See.
I mean, there was the video of my brother falling down. Like we pushed my brother down the stairs while he was in a sleeping bag.
Oh fuck yeah.
Yeah, I'll send you guys a link.
Facebook it. Post it to Frisbee.
That was like
That's relevant to
that
Frisbee,
was,
but
that
yeah.
was like summer of '06 when we moved into our house.
Hey, now you can retaliate with it, Jason.
Yeah, I know.
Except for you can actually throw it hard. Ow! Running out.
Did he just say soggy wet pantyhose?
I thought you were saying saluting pantyhose.
Zach, was that a
What did
soggy?
you say recently, Zach?
Doggy wet pantyhose.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your mama.
I have an app for your mama, Joe.
Is there a Zoom?
I think so. Hold on. Did you get it?
No. It's fine, they're coming.
That's Chicken Little running. Finger out of the way, cheese. Douchebag.
Earthquake! That's a beast of an earthquake. For a second.
Aftermath!
Upside down.
How you doing, Zach?
We are now tripping on drugs, just to warn you. Hey!
Not at the camera!
Didn't throw one.
You guys on camera.
Hey, you know what? Next time your phone gets it.
Yeah!
New phone anyway.
Oh, damn.
This has
You
been
don't have one yet.
6-minute long video of people throwing pine cones at each other.
And earthquakes.
And earthquakes. Pine cones and earthquakes.
Dude, epic video title right there.
Totally.
That's it. We have a video title. Thank you.
Even though we said that, now you know where the title comes from.
Yeah.
Even though it's like 6 minutes in the video.
Don't worry.
It's 5 minutes and 30 minutes before the earthquake comes, but it's still there. Now, I'd be seriously scared if a real earthquake started happening right now.
I would be like, dude, you called it.
All we need is lightning.
Yeah, we don't need that.
That'd be sick. Lightning strike on camera, right in front of us.
Ooh, that'd be trippy. Except, you know.
Dude, all of our eardrums would be fucked for the next hour.
Just punched out the slide.
Might be temporarily blinded.
Okay, Zach's on timeout.
My head's purple.
Crack.